Hi friends, this video shows how to remove Canon EF-EOS lens from Canon EF-EOS R adapter. See, this is the EOS R adapter. Here I am using Canon EOS R50 mirrorless camera. So here I am using this EOS R adapter to connect this EF-EOS lens. So in this adapter, so here we can see one knob. So first we had to pull this knob down. Okay, then rotate this EF-EOS lens anti-clockwise direction. See, this way, and we can remove the lens. See, so this way we can easily remove it. So if you want to connect, we can attach it like this. Here we can see one white mark, and here on this adapter also we can see one white mark here. See, so first we have to put it like this white marks. See, then we can rotate in clockwise direction and will be hear a tick sound. Done. So this way we can detach and attach EF-EOS lens on EOS R mount adapter. Okay, so please check it.